Welcome to our Rock Like the Pros. That's right, Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning, practice, and technique challenge. This is day 10. This is our review day. This one's going to put everything we've been working on all in one video. This one's going to be absolutely amazing. Can you do it? I know you can. Come on, let's dive in. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. I'm proud of you. Why am I proud of you? I'm proud of you for making it to this video right here. You could have quit after any of the days, but you stuck with it. You made the commitment to yourself, to this challenge, to your guitar playing, and you're now here at day 10. Absolutely phenomenal job. What we're going to do in this one, we're going to put together everything we did in the last 9 days. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through each one to refresh your memory as we go through it or right before we play it with the backing tracks. But this will be a fantastic warm-up that you can just do anytime you grab your guitar, warm it up, work on your technique. Absolutely wonderful. All right, before we get there though, let's slow down just a little bit. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then turn on that bell notification. You always want to be up to date when we're posting these videos, especially for this challenge, because don't forget, we're giving away 2 of the Cordoba guitars. And no, it is not too late. It is not too late to win one of those guitars. Remember, one of them's for the VIPs. I'll talk about that in a second. But anyway, you also got to head on over to Cordoba. Make sure to show them a little love. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. But if you really want to get involved and have a chance to win the guitar, just go sign up below. That's really the easiest thing to do for this challenge. Sign up below, and then you're going to get all the rules. You're going to understand what you have to do to win the Cordoba Protege C1 guitar. Absolutely fantastic guitar. All right. Now, if you want to become a VIP, that's a little different. We'll put that in links below too, but you get all the PDFs, you get all the backing tracks. You get the Zoom lessons, and you get the second Cordoba guitar we're giving away, which is the Mini 2, which I love these guitars, Mini 2 EBCE. Guitar. So anyway, that's for the VIP. Again, all the information is below, and no, it is not too late to sign up for that and have a chance to win. All right. Whew. Man, we've been doing a lot. I'm really proud of you, like I mentioned. After this, because we're just about done, we're going to have to announce a winner after this video, but we're going to do a part 2 of this, an intermediate, level 2, whatever you want to think about it. So we're going to do an early bird special right now. We'll put that link below as well if you want to sign up for this, because you know what we've been doing is cool, and what we're going to do is for the next one is really take it to the moon. All right, so if you're ready, we're going to do all of the last 9. That's right, 9. Put it together here with the back track. Right before each one, I'll show you, remind you of exactly what we're going to be doing, and then we're going to dive in with the back track. So are you ready? Okay, so here's the first one. All right, remember, this one is just using your first and your index finger, and we're going all the way up to the 5th fret on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now remember, the next one here is exactly the same thing, except instead of using fingers 1 and 2, we're gonna use fingers 1 and 3, go up, go down. We're gonna go all the way up to the 5th fret. Come on, let's do it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's keep this party train. What does that even mean? Oh, let's keep this train rolling. Next one here is going to be 1st and 4th. And again, we're going to do it all the way up to the 5th fret. Let's bring in that backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this next one, we bring in all 4 of the fingers. Remember, we're 1, 2, 3, 4. We do that all the way up. Slide it up a fret. Go back down, and we're going to do that all the way up to the 5th fret. Let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next one is the reverse of what we just did. We're going to be starting here with the pinky, and we're going to go backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way up. Then we're going to slide up. Again, and we're going to go all the way up to the 5th fret again. Let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're still working on these 4 fingers, really getting them under control. This one is going to be 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. That's the fingers. 2, 4. Slide them up. And again, up to the 5th fret. Let's do it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next one's going to be a variation of what we've already been working on, but this one's going to be 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. slide it up. And then all the way up to, you know, what fret? The 5th fret. Let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next one of my favorite ones, is going to be the one that we're doing all the way up and down the neck here. So this one's going to be. 13th fret and bring it back down. All right, now since that one and the next one after that, which was day 9, is actually going to be the same thing, except we're going to do all 6 of the strings. We're just going to do that. Okay, so we're going to start on the 1st string, do that all the way up to the 13th fret and back, and then we're going to go through all 6 of the strings. So we're actually combining day 8 and 9 for this one. You ready? Let's do it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I'm talking about. That's how we get it done right there. You should be seeing so much, I don't know, confidence, strength, dexterity, speed, control, left hand, right hand, everything with your playing. If you did that every time you picked up your guitar, which is hopefully every day, did it with the backing tracks, did it with the metronome. By the way, the backing tracks, the PDFs, the tab member, the VIPs get all that, and you can still sign up for that. If you did that and continue to do that over time, whether it's a month, 6 months, a year, 2 years, you're going to see so much growth. And when you start playing your other songs, your solos, whatever it is, you're going to be like, man, my technique is so much better just by doing this. All right. Don't forget, I need you to post a video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. You can sign up. That's a free forum to sign up for that. You got to post at least one video to have a chance to win that Cordoba guitar. All right, we're not done. All right, I know this is day 10. This is the review day, but what do we got to do? We got to announce the winner. We still have to announce the winner for the guitars, both the General Challenge Cordoba and also the one for the VIP. So remember, that's why I said make sure to subscribe to the channel. You got to do that anyways, but turn on that bell notification. That way you get an update and you know when we're going to be announcing the winner. And usually we do that live. And last time we did it for the ukulele, we actually gave some bonus stuff out as well for just the people that are there. And then the winners, if they were there live, they actually got a special bonus as well, besides just winning the guitar. That could be you. That's why make sure to subscribe. Stay alert, because I want you to make sure you're there when we announce the winner. So great job. Keep this up. Do not stop. Just because this is day 10, that does not mean you stop this stuff. This stuff you continue working on. But I'm really proud of you. Great job. Great job. Look for the videos of the winner. And don't forget, we're going to have that level 2 you can sign up for. And we're going to have an advanced workshop, like an advanced technique workshop as well, that we're going to have a link below that you can go sign up for that. So technique, and more technique is going to make you a great player. It's already making you a great player. It's going to make you a better player. And you're going to see the results when you start playing all your other stuff. So again, great job. Proud of you. And we'll see you in the next one.